Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into Xiaomi 15T. First, remove a protective case from your smartphone if you have any, and after that check the bottom edge of your smartphone, grab the pin like this and carefully push it inside this tiny hole in the SIM card slot. Once it jumps out, carefully remove it with your fingernails, and now we're gonna have to place our SIM card inside. Grab your SIM card and then place it inside like this. Slightly push it inside so it doesn't drop out, and now make sure that it sits firmly. And after that, place the slot into the port like this, and then carefully push it inside. And now let's check if the phone recognizes our SIM card. So let's go to settings, then let's go to mobile networks, and as you can see, right now the phone sees our SIM card. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.